Good morning. Here is the Sanibel Island and Southwest Florida update as of April 12th, 2023. Is your insurance claim from Ian still unresolved? The Department of Financial Services announced that as a follow-up to last year's deployment of initial payment centers and the Insurance Village in January, the Division of Consumer Services will be hosting Insurance Villages. The Insurance Villages will serve as an opportunity for policyholders to meet with their property insurer in person and work together to resolve outstanding claims. Representatives from the National Flood Insurance Program and more than a dozen insurers are expected to be on hand to assist insurance consumers. One of the villages will be on Tuesday, April 18th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Diamond Head Beach Resort on Asteria Boulevard, Fort Myers Beach. Policyholders should bring as much documentation as they can, including a driver's license or other form of identification, insurance cards and insurance policy information, pictures or documentation of the property being claimed as a loss resulting from Hurricane Ian, repair estimates, any additional insurance-related information that is easily accessible. Note, the Insurance Villages will exclusively focus on insurance-related issues, and staff from other agencies will not be present to assist with other post-storm benefits. Another location and date is on Wednesday, April 19th on Punta Gorda at the Charlotte County Event Center. Sanibel's Planning Committee met on Tuesday, April 11th. The Planning Department presented their opinions on different ordinances that should be changed to help rebuild Sanibel easier. The committee will now consider those suggestions and decide on changes in the future meetings. The planning director also mentioned Sanibel's Build Back policy. Buildings destroyed by Hurricane Ian can submit an application to build back a non-conforming structure for approval by the planning committee as long as they submit the application within 12 months of the hurricane. If I am interpreting the code right, that means the Mad Hatter or Jean's books can be built back as it was if the application is approved by the committee. I just mentioned this because I have said before that the Mad Hatter or Jean books would have to rebuild completely different because they would have to follow the updated hurricane codes, which would require an elevated structure, different roof, etc. But it seems the planning committee is pushing the build back policy in order to preserve the historical significance of certain buildings on the island. The committee kept mentioning a deadline of 12 months, but when the ordinance was originally written in 2006, the deadline was 24 months. I'm not for sure when that deadline was shortened. Also, am I interpreting the build back policy correctly? I'm not for sure why more people are not doing this. Let me know. Thanks for listening.